Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I got another package today. So last week, Huda Beauty was offering 2 different size in mystery bundles. And this was their first time doing something like this. They were offering 2 different size bags. The first mystery bundle they were offering was for $49, and that came with 4 different items plus a luxury tote bag. So if you include that tote bag, that is one of the items. I do feel some type of way about that, but we'll get into that. And their second mystery bundle, which was the one I actually got, was their large mystery bundle, which cost $89, and you got 6 items in that mystery bag, with the additional 7th item being the bag. So technically you got 7 items. Personally, in my opinion, I don't think a bag should be counted as an item, but that's just my opinion. But beggars can't be choosers, and I am still so excited to go ahead and unbag this mystery bundle from Huda Beauty. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Okay, and we have a little informational sheet here from Huda Beauty. It's a little coupon, $15 off of my next purchase with Huda Beauty. And this is what is inside my box. So here is my little mystery bundle. So our first item here, the bag. It is 100% cotton, if anyone was wondering. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that to the side because it's not that exciting, let's be honest. Okay, so we have our 6 items. The 2 first items here, we have the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions, and then we have the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions. This mini palette is so pretty, and I feel like I don't really wear that many green eyeshadows, but I do really want to step outside my comfort zone, so this is the perfect excuse to do that. Okay, so in this little pan you have 9 different shades here. Looks like we have 3 different matte shades, and then we have 6 shimmery metallic shades. And honestly, I am just dying to go ahead and swatch these for you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so here are the 9 shades right here. These swatched beautifully, even the matte shades. I am surprised, so I hope that they are going to be a dream when actually applying them on the eyelids. I cannot wait to go ahead and play around with this palette. This color right here is unreal. I mean, right off the bat, you can see how the light is reflecting off of that. It is such a beautiful shimmery shade with green undertones. And then this beautiful kind of bluey emerald shade is to die for. It is stunning. I love a palette that has a great mix of matte and shimmery shades. I can't wait to play around with this. Okay, and then moving on to the Ruby Obsessions palette. Okay, and this one actually has 4 matte shades and 5 shimmery metallic shades. And again, I am going to swatch these for you guys because I'm dying to see what this purpley ruby red looks like. Okay, so these are the 9 shades swatched on the back of my hand, and this shade right here is so beautiful. And this like hot chili pepper red is beautiful and pigmented. Swatching it, I don't know what it is about this color. It had like a grip when swatching this. It's honestly very hard to explain. So I am very curious how this is gonna apply in the eye. I can't explain it. It felt like a grip, but it swatched beautifully. I am super impressed with all of these shades here. Okay, so those were 2 out of my 6 items, 7 items. The next item is another palette here. And this is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And like I said, I have never used any Huda Beauty products before, but I have seen this palette all over social media, everywhere. She's so stunning, is she not? This package is to die for. Oh my gosh, these shades are gorgeous. This shade Retrograde is something I didn't know I needed in my life until now. Okay, so in this palette we do have 8 matte shades, and then we have 10 of those metallic shimmery shades, and I can see myself rocking each and every single one of these shades. Sometimes with eyeshadow palettes, there's like 1 or 2 shades that you're like, can I pull that off? I don't know, but I love every single one of these shades. And I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of these that I'm just dying to see, and of course they're all metallic shades that I'm just dying to see. So the first one I am going in with is the shade Retrograde, because I mean, guys, that color is stunning. Okay, and the second shade I do want to go into is Twilight. They're very similar but different, if that makes sense. I feel like this one has more of those like mauve-y undertones and this one has those purpley beautiful undertones, and they are reflective. Okay, and I do want to just go in with a third. It is the shade Cosmo. Oh, it's like one of those like loose glitters. Okay, so I'll definitely have to use setting spray for that because it is a very fine loose glitter. Okay, and another product. Oh, I forgot to say, they did put in a little sample. So this is a sample of their Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, but I did forget to say that. It's a little sample here, and I think you can get like 2 uses out of here. But going on to an actual product, we have, so this is the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, which is perfect because my skin has been so oily lately, and I have been meaning to pick up a mattifying primer, so thank you, Huda Beauty. Just what I needed in my life, and it does say this is an oil-free mattifying makeup base. I do have acne-prone skin, so anything oil-free is just perfect. And I just want to go ahead, oh, that's an interesting tip. I've never used a primer in this kind of like tube before. I do just want to go ahead and just put a little bit on the back of my hand just to see the consistency. Okay, it's very liquidy. Feels very hydrating. Has a very perfumey scent. If you guys hate anything with a heavy scent, this definitely has a very rosy scent to it. It actually smells real good. I'm super excited to try this. Okay, and the last 2 products, we have 2 lip products, and these are the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipsticks, and I have the shades Shika, and I also have the shade Passionista. I mean, this one for sure. I love a hot pink lipstick, you guys. I can already tell in the tube this color is going to be stunning. That's deeper than I thought it was gonna be, but that is so gorgeous. It's like the perfect purpley pink. Okay, and so that was Passionista. Let's go ahead and swatch Shika. All right, and I love the actual component they are in. All right, ooh, this one is a beautiful deep mauve shade. I probably won't rock Shika a lot this summer. This is a very much fall shade for me, but Passionista, I'll be wearing that all year long. Just you wait. So again, we have Shika and Passionista. Okay, so those were the 7 items that I got in my first Huda Beauty mystery bundle. And if I didn't already say it, I do apologize. This mystery bundle was only available for 48 hours last week, so there are no more mystery bundles right now, but I really hope there are some more in the future. Okay guys, as always, go ahead and give this video a big ol' thumbs up if you want to support your girl, and if you want to see more videos, go ahead and just subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Alright guys, until next time, I'll see you soon.